Hey, I got a tutorial for the last trick I just did, and I actually just did it a couple minutes ago, and I haven't named it yet, but this will be the next one after the last one, okay? So here we go. Actually, I'm going to call this the crazy eights trick, okay? I wouldn't say that for the trick because it gives up too much information, but I'll show you how it works, okay? So first of all, we do have a prediction, and this could be any card you want, and it goes, well, I'll show you how it works, but any card you want. I just figured I'd pick the ace of hearts, okay? All right, now, there is a setup on the bottom. It will be the eighth card every time, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again, could be any card, so just make sure they match, okay? So we have aces, so it'll be the eighth card from the bottom every time. One thing you also notice is the deck's a little bit thicker because there's 4 extra cards in there, okay? And I'm going to explain what that means in a moment. In fact, I'll take the bottom of the packet is just random cards, okay? But at the top of the packet, there's a setup. So you can see it starts here. We have just a random card, an 8, random card, 8, and all the way through. Every even card all the way through 16 is 8s. Now, you might notice, you go, isn't there only 4 8s in a deck? Yeah, because I took a second 4 8s, a second set of 8s, excuse me, out of the other deck. So I have 2 8 of spades, 2 8 of diamonds, 2 8 of clubs, and so on. So I used those cards, and yeah, but nobody would ever notice that, okay? So every even card, again, is an 8, all the way through 16, okay? So that's why I say 1 through 15, okay? Then when I start the trick, I think I do one of these, fake cut, and then I think I did this. Yeah, I know that I did this, excuse me. And then when I do this, I don't exactly spread this end down so much because I don't want to show all those 8s. Just but you go, hey, just a normal deck of cards, okay? So I lied. All right, but that's what magicians do. At least I remember one guy who said, hey, at least I'm honest about it, but that's the truth. It is illusion, which is kind of lying, I guess. But yeah, all right, so let's continue. So then now, when I say, all right, you get to pick a number between 1 and 15. All right, so let's say you pick 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you may say, well, this isn't an 8, because it isn't. But how you play it is you go, all right, so you did 7, so here's your card. You just move on to the next card. Magician's Force. So they're not going to end up with this card ever. It's always going to be this card, okay? So let me put them back again real quick. Well, yeah, just got to do that. Okay, there we go. So again, any odd number, you just go down 1, 2, 3. Here's your card. Okay, that's simple. Now, if they pick if they pick an even number, it's really easy because again, they go, let's say they say 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's an 8. And the reason I did the extra 8s is because I thought most tricks with setups, like it's usually a 7 or 6s or something like that, I thought use 8s, which is different, and then why not go to 15? And people go, that's not the same trick, but basically is. Okay, so you'll always end up with an 8, okay? So that's the setup. Oops, always 1 8 in between. You need one between here. Okay, here we go. So that's the setup of the trick. So hopefully you liked it, and thank you for watching. Look at the trick, and have a great day. Thank you very much.